Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Nabil Alvaro and my NPM is 250810100048. And in this video, I will be reviewing one of the old movie I watched recently. The title is To Kill a Mockingbird. To Kill a Mockingbird is directed by Robert Mulligan, and the genre of the movie is Southern Gothic. And what this movie is all about is this movie tells about the story of Atticus, a lawyer who's trying to defend a black man of the accusation of firing a young woman. This film has won some award, that is there is a Academy Award and 3 Oscar. Okay, next after the introduction of the film, I will continue to the plot analysis. Okay, now we are in the plot analysis of the film, and this film is set on Alabama, and the film tells about different story. The first one is how Atticus will be able to defend a young black man named Tom Robinson, and the second one is how the Finch sibling will be able to uncover the truth of the mystery of the neckbird child named Boo, and the third story tells about how how Atticus will be able to raise his family as a single father. This film has one memorable scene to me. That is when Tom Robinson is shot dead, because on most of the film will show a good ending of what the problem will cause in the end. But this film is not, well, I say it's not a good ending for Tom Robinson. But for the Finch family, it has one of the best outcome out there, because this film show a good reality of how when someone is trying to break the pattern in the society and bring the justice to people, it's hard to do that, and these films show the reality of how hard it is to do that. Okay, after the plot analysis, I will tell you about the character development in the film. Okay, now we are in the character development, and the main character of this film is the Finch family. The first one is Atticus as the father, Jem as the son, and Scout as the daughter. The Finch family is the character development is on around the Finch family, and how Atticus will show how much principle he holds on, and how much Jem will show the development of a son, from a son-hating father to an understanding son for his father. And the main point of view of the film is Scout, and this film will show how Scout will see a racial problem in this society, and see how she reacted. We will see how she reacted to the racial problem, and how she will develop her character from that problem. And by the way, my favorite character in this movie is Jem, because he show so much admire for me as a son, to what I must do as a son to my father. Okay, next after the character development, I will talk about the direction and cinematography. I'm sorry. Okay, for the direction and cinematography, this movie shows how a kid will see a racial unfairness in the society. And from this film, I learned how a child will see and react to a racial problem. But in this film, usually kids follow what most of the people do, and what the pattern in the society do. But in this film, the Finch siblings show a strong principle, because Atticus as the father always taught them how to different a bad and a good pattern in the society. And for the cinematography, the camera work really showed me the vibe of 19 movie, and give me a look of how an old movie camera work as it should be. But because this is an old movie, there's not much visual effects shown in the film, but still it gives me an awesome feeling of to see the camera work in the used in the film. Okay, the next one I will talk about themes and message from the film. Okay, for the theme and message, this film, the theme of this film is about how a child will see a racial problem in their society, and for the message, this movie show a lot of message from family to racial problem and how a child will react to something they need to learn or not need to learn, because a bad social pattern can make someone go over past what they're meant to do. It's like to hurt a child in this film. And for that, this film really shows how much a bad pattern can affect anyone or everyone, even from child to an elder. Because in this film show elder of one of a white family that tries to hurt their Finnish siblings because their father is defending a black man. And next, I will talk about a personal opinion. Okay, for my personal opinion for this film, I will say it is an awesome film from how much message shown throughout the film. And but my favorite part of this film is about the character development and the plot used in the film. Especially my favorite character is Jem, because his character development is so much from this film, from how he will defend his sister and how he will assist his father. And for the plot, I will say it's awesome because it tells three different stories throughout the film. And for what I don't like that much about the film is the music used in it, because this is about a hot debate, and in the film when the Finn sibling is shown, the song become a little cartoonish and it bothers me a little but not that much. And after my personal opinion, I will talk about the conclusion of this film. Okay, finally for my last thing I want to talk about is the conclusion. This film show me and make me feel I need to hold on more to my principle, because this film has show a strong principle of how Atticus is trying to defend the young black man, because he thinks that the young black man is innocent, and I think so too, but I don't know because there's no ending to it, to what happened to Tom Robinson. And the feeling that this movie left me with is, how do I say it, a justice film. A justice feeling. After watching this movie, I feel like I want to do some good things and defend other people that is now feeling injustice in the society. And for that, I think this film deserves a 9 out of 10 for the plot, character development, and the message shown throughout the films. Okay, maybe that's all my review about To Kill a Mockingbird. My name is Nabil Alvaro, and thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.